The psychology of ignoring a woman. Hello guys. Welcome back to another video. Before starting the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more valuable content like this. If a woman often ignores you, you must watch this video until the end. One of the most prominent mistakes men make is to pay more attention to women than to themselves. This ends up making you waste a lot of time. If a woman doesn't respond to your messages, you should ignore her. Why would you insist on talking to a woman who wasn't interested in talking to you? Stop wasting your precious time and start giving value to yourself. Women will understand that your time is scarce. If you are a valuable man, your value, and when a woman knows that you are available anytime she wants, you will end up becoming something easily accessible. It makes you lose your value. You only value something that you don't have. Something or is hard to get. Lamborghini, for example. A Lamborghini. Because few Lamborghini own it in the world, you don't see a Lamborghini every single day. That's a demonstration of value. Is easily accessible, ends up losing value. And what is hard to access has more value for its exclusive. Exclusivity loves exclusivity. Women love what they can't have. If you are an uncontrollable man in the hands of a woman, you become a god to her. When referred to an uncontrollable man, it means that you are not manipulated by a woman easily. You have your own decision-making power, and make this clear in your dominant behavior. If she's online and doesn't respond to your messages, and whenever she sends you a message, start ignoring her and post or share a picture next to a woman or picture showing something that makes her jealous. This will make the woman's brain think in an unconscious way that she is losing you for another woman, and it creates jealousy. But wait, remember, this will only work if a woman was interested in you and ended up losing interest. If a woman took 2 hours to reply to your message, take 4 hours to reply to her. Woman had to be rejected and ignored. Softy will keep thinking of you all day. This is very powerful beauty. If a woman treats you like your work is to ignore her, no man deserve to be treated like rubbish just because the woman has a beautiful body. Keep in mind, this beauty attracts and the personality conquers. It's no use having beauty if the person doesn't have an interesting personality. Psychology of ignoring a woman always works if you have value. That's why I always tell you to have a valuable life, or to develop in all areas of your life. Little by little, value men go crazy when you turn out to be totally different men from the most oft people in the world. Most men are prizing women all the time. They put the woman on the pedestal and let her step on the top of them. And when you put her on the same level as you will start treat her like a normal way. Consequently, she will start to respect you. If you treat her like she's on pedestal, she will understand that you are her slave. And she's the only queen. Treat a woman like a celebrity, because when you treat her like a celebrity, she will treat you like a fan. You should be held like a king. She'll respect you like a king. So just keep in mind these things. You can subscribe to this channel to get more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching.